What was the first person who milked a cow trying to do? Shower thoughts. If Pinocchio says, "My nose will grow," is it true or false? You don't feel your toes touching each other. Now you're feeling it just because I said it. Why is the blackboard green? Green corn yellow and black halls white. You can tickle yourself by running your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Why do 24-hour stores have locks? We always blame society, but we are society. In 100 years, there won't be a single person alive who was born in a year that starts with 1. We use our phones every day, but they never appear in our dreams. This is the game, and you just lost. Almost no one has a negative number as their lucky number. Which came first, the color orange or the fruit? If you scream in your mind, you'll never run out of breath. I just turned off your automatic blinking. In what language does a deaf and blind person think? You never stop clapping. You just increase the interval between claps. When you say forward, your lips move forward, but when you say back, your lips move back.